Ngỡ là trái tim vô càng đau vui hơi thôi buồn đau, nhưng thật cay đắng khi biết là Xin chào các bạn, chào mừng các bạn quay trở lại với kênh của The IELTS Workshop Series IELTS Speaking Part 1. Các bạn có thích hát không ạ? I know you guys like singing, and that is the topic of the lesson today. Các bạn hãy nhìn lên câu hỏi ở trên màn hình nhé. 1. Do you like singing and why? 2. Have you ever learned how to sing? 3. Who do you want to sing for? 4. Do you think singing can bring happiness to people? Yeah, well, it is actually something I find myself doing a lot, especially when I'm alone. I wouldn't say that singing is my forte, but rather it's something I do to unwind. For me, nothing is more wonderful than singing along with the music while I'm in a shower. Well, admittedly, up till now, I haven't taken any singing lessons, even though I believe I have what it takes to become a good singer. Just so you know, many of my friends have told me that my singing is often in tune and that I have a great sense of rhythm. The thing is, I'm just too comfortable, I think, being an amateur. And for me, singing should just be a recreational activity. Maybe my friends? Well, it's been pretty long since I last went to a karaoke bar with my friends. And actually, it's not the case where they would just sit and watch me perform, but rather us singing together. You know, that's what makes karaoke fun, right? And I always have a whale of a time singing a duet or even a trio with them. It depends. If singing is your leisure pursuit, then practicing it regularly can definitely help to bring about therapeutic effects. And if that's also the case, you may get your energies recharged if you get to listen to a good singing performance. Having said that, if you're not a fan of singing or music at all, then attempt to sing may bring about counterproductive impacts. And that is it. Và đó là bài mẫu về chủ đề IELTS Speaking Part 1, Topic Singing. Mình hy vọng là các bạn đã học được những từ vựng và cấu trúc hữu ích đến từ bài nói của mình. Và hẹn gặp lại các bạn trong video lần sau. Bye bye guys!